Hello, I'm Arthur. Welcome to my lab. I don't know what I'm going to do once I complete building this Delta printer that I'm working on, because it's proven to be a very nice surface on which I record my videos. So I think I'll have to start working on yet another printer just to have some kind of stand, or maybe just find some desk space. So in last video I was showing a tripod mount that cracked on me, the tripod mount that I use for the boom on which I mount the cell phone that I use to record these videos. So I had several more of these mounts, and I took them off of the boom, and sure enough, this one's already showing here, there we go, this one's already showing signs of cracking. I don't know if you can see this, but there's a line going across the center here that's already beginning to crack. So right in time did I remove these from the boom. Oh, it's already breaking. Here we go. Ta-da! Broke in half. And that's probably because the plastic that I used, the PLA that I use, is kind of very fragile and breaks easily. It's one of the types that kind of can even break while the spool is just sitting there and mounted in the printer. And so it's not surprising me. So I remembered that I actually have some PETG filament, which is supposed to be a little more flexible. And also, since I've redesigned this mount, I adjusted the diameter of the inside so that it fits better on the copper pipe that I'm using as the boom for the stand. So this fits much better. It just slides on the pipe. It's a nice fit, and I have two holes for the screws to tighten this mount. Of course, this is just a copy of the original design, which was just fine. I made this part a little bit bigger, deeper, so there's more plastic here between the hex nut and the screw that goes in there. So this should be a bit sturdier. So far it seems like it's working fine. I have this thing mounted on my tripod, and this is just another print that I made for the second set, because eventually I will want to have two camera angles at least and add some variety to my shots. So just a quick video on how this part broke, and how the original part that I showed earlier may have broken the same way. There was just too much force because this diameter was a little smaller than the pipe that I'm using. There was a big force pulling this thing apart, and that caused this part to crack open and fail. So that's it for today. See you later.